So today let me show you an application you can use for free to get access to your Mac remotely. You can access it from your phone or another computer. You go on Google and you look for Chrome Remote Desktop. Of course, we have an ad from TeamViewer, which is another app you can use to do that, but I really like Chrome Remote Desktop because it works also really great with a phone. So yeah, you install the app. Mine is already installed. It's pretty basic. You just click install. It will go pretty much like easily. So once it's installed, you get the app just right here. So this is installed from your account. All of your computer that you have installed, the Chrome Remote Desktop from your account will be accessible from here once you will have enabled it. So if you look, you should have enabled something over here. You just type a password, it will install something automatically. And actually, you see, this is all my computer which are available at the moment. My MacBook Air is closed, my other iMac is closed, my Mac Mini is open, so if I click it right now, I just hit the password, and there I'm in. Actually, this Mac Mini is not at the current location I am right now. I use that Mac Mini to make backup at a remote location. So I can close it. You can also get, you can share your computer to someone else. So if someone else have that application, you can give to him that number and he go on Acess and will type that password and will have access to your computer. Or you can do the reverse too. So I think you get it. It's pretty easy to use. And you now have a free application for remote connection.
So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please make a thumbs up. If you have any question, please ask in the comment below. I may simply answer you or even maybe make a video just for you. So don't forget to subscribe. And what you do see back there, it's from my main channel. So please come take a look at this right there. Thank you for watching again. See ya.